I wanted to share some of my absolute favorite bathroom organizers. First, we have these plastic drawer organizers. These are perfect for keeping your counter clear. I like using it to store Q-tips, floss, teeth whitening strips, my hair clips. It really comes in handy. I could just pull it open at night for when I do my nighttime routine and when I'm getting ready in the morning. I like that they come in 4 different sizes. This came with 25 pieces, so it's really customizable for whatever size drawer you have. Next, I have these clear plastic jar sets that also make great bathroom organizers. I like having these in the guest bathroom. I feel like they look really nice on the counter. Plus, when I have guests over, it makes it easier for them to find things that they may need. I like that they come with these pre-printed labels that you can use to get really organized, and it also includes some blank ones too if you want to customize them. Next, we have this spinning countertop organizer. This spinning organizer is perfect for makeup or for skincare products. I personally use it for my skincare, and I love that the levels are adjustable so you can customize it around different size products. The top is perfect for fitting smaller products in, as it has these little sections that fit them perfectly. Because this is a spinning organizer, it makes it easy to access your products. Last but not least, we have this countertop organizer. This organizer comes with 8 different dividers, making it perfect for multiple size products. I also like to use this organizer in our guest bathroom. I think it's perfect for when you have people over. I like putting different products on there that I think they may need while they're staying over. Overall, I love all of these organizers. They've really made a difference in keeping my bathrooms tidy and clean.